Now we will discuss about reciprocal. Reciprocal. Two numbers are said to be reciprocal to each other if their product is one. For example, reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5 because the product of 5 and 1 by 5 is equal to 1. So clearly we have idea about reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse. Here is a question: how can we find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the given number? Here is a process to find the reciprocal. That means when we divide 1 by the given number, then we will get the reciprocal of the given number. For example, if it is given 3 and we have desire or we are going to find the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 3, then which process will be followed by us? Definitely we have idea. 1 is divided by the given number, so that we will write here 1 divided 3, then 1 into 1 by 3. Our answer is 1 by 3. For justification, we can multiply both 3 and 1 by 3, we will get 1. According to the definition, we have gotten 1. It is said, if the product of two numbers is equal to 1, then these numbers will be said reciprocal or multiplicative inverse to each other. So here 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of exercise 2.5. Question number first of second. Four by 5 divided 6. Divided 6. Now we can write it 4 by 5 divided 6 by 1. We have idea. We will solve this by the changing of this sign into multiplication. And when we will change this sign into multiplication, then we will write the denominator in the numerator and numerator in the denominator. That means 4 by 5 into 1 by 6. 2 to the 4, 2 3 जा 6. That is 2 1 जा 2 by 15. 3 5 जा 15. So our answer will be 2 by 15. This is the process. Question number first of third. Find 4 divided 3 whole 1 by 3. That means 4 by 1 divided 3 3 is 9 1 10 by 3. 4 by 1 into 3 by 10. 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6, 5 1 is 5. Is equal to 5 1 is 5, 1 by 5. It's our answer. This and this both are equal. If you will write this, no problem. And if you will change into mixed fraction, then also write. Question number 4. Rohan caught 5 fishes. Their total weight was 7 whole 1 by 2 kg. If all fishes have equal weight, find the weight of one fish. Here, weight of 5 fishes is equal to 7 whole 1 by 2 kg. So, weight of one fish is equal to 7 whole 1 by 2 by 5. That means 7 to the 14, 1 15 by 2 divided 5 equal to 15 by 2 multiplied 1 by 5. 3 5 the 15. That means 3 by 2 kg. It can be written 1 whole 1 by 2 kg. That means 1.5 kg. It's our answer. And you will complete exercise 2.1 to 2.5. Complete 2.1 to 2.5.